Go language programming, chapter 4, unit 4. In this unit, we will cover methods on non-struct types. Okay. So basically, methods on non-struct type, meaning the structure, when you create a receiver, it can take some other type as well, but before it can take that some other type, you have to create an alias for that type. Okay, so now methods on non-struct type must be in the same package. So that's the one requirement. So basically, if it is not in the same package, then compiler will generate an error. Okay. Following add method has built-in type int. Okay, so built-in type int is the one, right here. We are giving this example right here as a receiver. Okay, int type, and it is not in the same package. So int it would be in a some other package where you as a programmer are writing the code, so it would not work. It will generate an error. Okay, so the program will throw a compilation error and cannot define new method on local type. Okay, so it will think as int as a local type. So int is a built-in data type, and it's in the Go language library. So sitting in some other package, you cannot use this way. Okay, so this will be error condition. So for to be able to use the non-struct types in the receiver, you first have to create a type. Okay, so create an alias for the int type, and then you will be able to use it. So basically, you can use a type keyword to create an alias of type int. That's what we are doing right here. Okay, now we have this new type called myInt. Okay, is a new type, and now this myInt, I can use it in the receiver. Okay, so create a method with this type alias as the receiver. So this is what I'm using. This is a receiver, okay, for the method. And now and then the whole idea is that wherever I'm creating this alias, it must be in the same package. If it is in the separate package, this alias is not going to work. So it must be in the same package. Okay, so then this is the add is the function name, I mean the method name, and it is taking the one argument of type myInt. Okay, so b is of type myInt, and then it is also returning the type myInt. Okay, so basically in essence it is returning int type. So in this example, we will first create a alias for int. Okay, so start the example with the package main, import the fmt package, and then at line number 4, we are creating a alias for int built-in data type, and we call that alias myInt. Okay, and then we create at line number 6, we create the body for the method, and the method will have the receiver. In this case, the receiver is taking a non-struct type. This is a myInt is a non-struct type, and then it is the method is also taking one parameter of myInt type. So, and then it is also returning a myInt type, and then within the body, all it is doing is adding the two values together. Okay, and then in the entry point function body, all we are doing is calling the myInt alias and saying initialize that. So in this case, what it will do is it will create the memory num1, okay, and initialize that memory with 5, okay. And similarly, the num2 will be created and initialized with 10, okay. So and then this could be created at different memory locations. And then here at line number 14, all we are doing is saying create this new variable called sum by using a short declaration, and then call the method add, okay. And we are calling by using a num1, okay, num1 dot add, and passing the num2, and then basically in this case it will make a call to the add method right here, and use the body, within the body it is just add, and passing num2. So within the body it will add 5 plus 2, 5 plus 10. And basically when the call comes back to the main, we have print line. So print line will print the whatever is in the sum is, okay. So that's how you use the non-struct type. You know Otherwise, and of course, as we discussed, it must be in the same package. This basically concludes this unit 4, chapter 4. Okay.